Canned fruits and vegetables are picked and packed at peak ripeness, which means flavor and nutrients are preserved. In fact, some nutrients are even better utilized by our bodies in canned produce than they are in fresh. Canned cling peaches were found to contain higher levels of vitamin C and folate compared to their fresh freestone peaches, thanks to the canning process. Corn contains lutein, an antioxidant linked to eye health. The heat from the canning process enhances its absorption, so our bodies can actually use it better from canned corn than it can from fresh corn. Tomatoes provide lycopene, a nutrient known to reduce the risk of heart disease and certain cancers. Lycopene in canned tomatoes is better utilized by our bodies thanks to the heat from the canning process. Canned tomatoes are also higher in B vitamins when compared to their fresh counterparts. You can find more canned food information and recipes at fairway.com.